Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your username on Instagram. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you specifically on a PC. It is a little bit easier to do it on a PC than versus the actual app, so I would recommend doing it this way. Although if you would like me to make a video showing you on the actual app, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be sure to get around to it. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Instagram website and you need to be logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, what we're going to be doing is clicking on the account profile option on the top right, which will bring us to the overview of our account. From here, we're going to be clicking the edit profile option on the top right next to our username, which will open up the account settings for our profile. The very first option we have right here is the edit profile option, which will give us some information about our name, username, email, etc. That's all linked to our actual Instagram account. What we're going to be looking for specifically is the username option, which is the second option right here. What we'll have the option to do is click and change this, which will edit the username for our account. Sadly, there is no way to preview and tell if the username is actually taken, so you will have to check manually. In this case, I'm going to be changing my name from Scoby125 to Scoby Tech. Once you have this done, all you need to do is click the submit button right here, and if the username is not taken by another account, your profile will be saved and you'll be able to take this username. Now, if you do try to take a username that is taken, for example, if I just try to take Scoby and click submit, it will give me an error saying the username isn't available, please try another. So you can quickly check in this way, although this can be a little bit frustrating if you're trying to do it a number of times, so just keep this in mind. Anyway guys, it's that easy to change your username on Instagram. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.